Welcome to Mechanic. Today here on Mechanic we got a 2008 Toyota Camry, and we're going to go ahead and put the door handle mechanism all back together. So because we removed this piece, we're going to go ahead and install this first before we can put the exterior handle on. So you just need to feed it through the hole here, line it up right here. Okay, so we've got it lined up in there, and I'll show you on the front, but we're going to tighten up that T30. So this is how it looks on the outside. There's generally some little covers that go on here. They are missing on this vehicle, so we're not going to worry about those because we don't have them. But now we can put the handle back in. And so to start with, we'll feed the electric line back through there, and then take the handle, be able to get it in there. It moves down in like a 4-5, and then just push it back into place. And then once that one's snapped into place, then you can take your door lock cylinder and be able to press that back into place. And you'd put the T30 here and tighten that up, and that'll keep the door lock cylinder in place. And then you just got to hook the electric line back up and the one screw in here that holds that other electric together. So that's how you install your door lock, your exterior door lock handle and the interior portion on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.